So yeah, I think it's completely done now. It won't even turn on anymore. Only thing that happens is the lights come on. That's it. It won't even power on. No matter what button combination I hold, it won't come on. It just lights up. That's it. It's a glow in the dark toy.